Diamond Award for Community Service goes to Kaiser Permanente, Baldwin Park.
Eugene Cho. I'm the Senior Vice President, Area Manager of the Kaiser Permanente Baldwin Park Medical Center. Kaiser Permanente celebrated its 75th anniversary last July of 2020. We have a rich history of being an integrated healthcare delivery system, a group practice model within the healthcare industry. It started way back in 1945 when Henry J. Kaiser, the innovative industrialist, partnered with Dr. Sidney Garfield to provide healthcare to the shipyard workers that were building ships up in the Bay Area as part of World War II. The Baldwin Park Medical Center is relatively a newer facility in the Kaiser Permanente system. As part of our expansion into the Southern California market, we established this medical center back in 1998. We have satellite medical offices in cities such as San Dimas, West Covina, Irwindale, Diamond Bar, Montebello, just to name a few. And we provide a fully integrated healthcare product or service to the residents and the members of Kaiser Permanente that live in this area in the San Gabriel Valley, as well as the community. I think people know that the San Gabriel Valley was particularly hit hard by the pandemic, and we had to quickly stand up many services that needed to be provided. Number one, we quickly stood up a process to test for coronavirus in a reliable manner, in a quick and reliable manner. So we had a testing site here, as well as a few of our off-site satellite clinics. I think Kaiser Permanente was at the cutting edge of treatment. Our physicians did fantastic work in terms of keeping up with the protocols, both nationally within the industry, and we made some adjustments as well. So the Bernard J. Tyson School of Medicine, we're very proud of that. It's a real milestone for the organization. I think we're the second non-academic institution to establish a School of Medicine in the country. There are some unique aspects of the School of Medicine. I think a traditional curriculum within medical school is 2 years of very intensive academic, classroom-based education. And the Kaiser Permanente School of Medicine actually starts right away with the students having a very clinical focus. Yes, part of the mission of Kaiser Permanente is actually to improve the health of the communities that we serve. And so while we focus on the members of Kaiser Permanente and providing them the care, we also give back to the community, and it stands to reason that we would obviously provide community health programs and so forth. We have a community garden that was established, and originally it was established to provide pre-pandemic. What it was is we would work with local schools, fourth grade classes who wanted to learn about agriculture, and really we used it as a way of not only teaching them about how to grow plants and produce and that sort of thing, but also as a means for how to eat well, eat healthy, prepare fresh foods and that sort of thing. Well, as the pandemic came about and schools had to shut down and went completely virtual, we repurposed all of that produce to the Baldwin Park City Food Bank. And we were able to provide services that were people that were really in need of those kinds of services. So it's been something that's really actually given back to the community in a big way.